Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tissue blades is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a polymer clay artist's arsenal. These seemingly simple blades are actually incredibly versatile, allowing for precise cuts, smooth surfaces, and intricate designs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right tissue blade can significantly elevate your polymer clay creations, making your projects easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Sculpey Clay Blade Set of 3. Introducing the Sculpey Clay Blade Set of 3. This set includes 3 different stainless steel blades, perfect for all your clay projects. They are designed to make your crafting easier and more precise. The set includes a long, rigid blade for straight cuts, a flexible blade for curves, and a wave blade for decorative edges. Each blade offers a unique cutting style, giving you versatility in your work. Each blade is made of stainless steel and comes with easy snap-on handles. This ensures durability and ease of use. The handles are pre-assembled for your convenience. These blades are incredibly sharp, making them ideal for slicing polymer clay, creating intricate designs, and trimming edges. They provide a smooth, clean cut every time. Cleaning is simple. Just use soap and water or baby wipes after use. This will keep the blades in top condition for all your future projects. The rigid blade is 7 to 12 inches long, with handles at 8 to 12 inches. The wavy blade is 6 to 12 inches, with handles at 7 to 14 inches. The flexible blade is 5 to 34 inches, with handles at 7 to 14 inches. What we like? This set offers 3 different blade styles: rigid, flexible, and wavy. Each blade comes with easy snap-on handles for comfortable use. If you're looking for versatility in your clay cutting, this is the set for you. It's perfect for achieving various effects, from straight edges to decorative cuts. If you like having options and want professional-looking results, you should consider this. What people say. The blades are very sharp and cut through the clay with ease. They are great for creating clean, precise cuts. The blades are flexible and can be used to create a variety of textures and effects. Number 4. Polymer Clay Tools Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your polymer clay projects. It features a variety of tools to help you shape, sculpt, and create stunning DIY crafts. Inside, you'll find 2 acrylic rollers, thickness rings, blades, dotting tools, and more. They are made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and ease of use. The acrylic rollers, both solid and hollow, provide smooth and even surfaces. The blades come with protective boxes, ensuring safety while you work on your projects. Whether you're making jewelry, sculptures, or other DIY art projects, this kit is perfect. It's suitable for both schools and homes, encouraging creativity and imagination. With the thickness rings, you can easily control the clay's thickness. This set is designed to make your crafting experience enjoyable and efficient. What we like? This kit includes a variety of tools, including rollers, blades, and dotting tools. The blades come with a protective box for safety. If you are a beginner or someone who enjoys a wide range of techniques, this kit is ideal. It provides everything you need to start creating with polymer clay. If you have a passion for diverse projects, you should consider this. What people say. The tissue blades are a must-have in my opinion. The blades are all very sharp, so be careful. I love that the rollers come with height guides. It makes it easy to make earrings that have uniform thickness. The X-Acto knife is sharp and great for fixing imperfections prior to baking the clay. I also like that there are 2 sized slicers for different jobs. Number 3. Clay Cutter Blade Set, Flexible Stainless Steel. Introducing the Clay Cutter Blade Set. These flexible stainless steel blades are perfect for smoothing, shaping, and finishing your clay projects. They offer precision and detail for both beginners and professionals. Made from thin, flexible stainless steel, this set resists oxidation and is built to last. The blades are designed to withstand regular use, ensuring they remain a reliable tool for your crafting needs. This set includes 2 blades, one 8 inches and one 4 inches long, both with a thickness of 0.2 millimeters. This allows you to easily cut through clay. It meets various needs for your projects. These polymer clay tools are designed for easy cleaning and drying after use. Simply wipe them down, and they're ready for your next project. It's a convenient tool for any artist. These blades are ideal for forming flat surfaces and adding meticulous detail to your clay creations. The blades are very useful for a variety of projects. It's a great tool for any clay artist. The package includes 2 clay cutter blades and a box. Whether you're a beginner or a professional artist, this set provides everything you need to enhance your clay crafting experience. What we like. These blades are made of flexible stainless steel, making them durable and easy to use. It comes in 2 different sizes to meet your needs. If you are looking for precision and control in your clay work, this is a great choice. It's perfect for smoothing, shaping, and finishing your clay projects. If you like meticulous detail, you should consider this. What people say. Great products and well made. Just what I was looking for. Works good with my air drying clay projects. 2 blades, 1 long, 1 short, super sharp in a reusable plastic case. Number 2. Polymer clay tool set. This set includes everything you need for your clay projects. It comes with rollers, cutters, and sheets, providing a full range of tools to get you started. You won't need to buy any extra kits. The set includes 2 solid acrylic rollers. They are sturdy and clear, making it easy to crush and shape your clay. This no-stick design is also easy to clean. You'll receive 2 long and 2 short carbon steel blades. These blades are flexible and perfect for cutting and sculpting. Each blade comes with a protective box to prevent injuries. The set also includes 1 large rectangle and 1 small square acrylic sheet. These sheets are perfect for different sizes of polymer clay projects. They provide a smooth surface for your creations. These tools are perfect for clay DIY activities at home or in school. You can use them to create fun crafts with friends, such as polymer clay earrings, jewelry, and sculptures. It's great for all skill levels. What we like. This set provides a complete set of tools, including rollers and multiple blades. It includes both long and short blades for various cutting needs. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to start your polymer clay journey, this is a great option. It has everything you need to create a variety of projects. If you are a beginner, you should consider this. What people say. The blades are sharp and came with carry cases. They cut canes well without distorting the design too much. The rollers are solid. The acrylic plates are handy as well. The blades are very sharp and through clay like butter. Number 1. Polymer clay cutter blades and circle cutters. This set includes 5 clay slicer blades and 40 circle shape cutters. They come in various sizes to meet your DIY needs. You can also share them with your friends and family. The blades have straight and wavy styles. The straight blades come in 2 sizes, and the wavy blades come in 2 sizes. The round cutters have 8 different diameters. These cutters are made of stainless steel, which is tough and sturdy. It is not easy to rust or deform, so you can use them for a long time. The blades allow for flexible bending and various cutting styles. Straight blades are for straight cuts, and wavy blades are for decorative cuts. This makes the cutting surface smoother and more beautiful. These tools are easy to use for beginners and experienced users. They are suitable for shaping, sculpting, cutting, and slicing. You can enjoy DIY projects and enrich your daily life with them. What we like. This set offers a large number of blades and circle cutters in various sizes. The blades are flexible, allowing for different cutting styles. If you are looking for a set that offers a lot of variety and options, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different shapes and sizes. If you like having a wide range of tools, you should consider this. What people say. Sharp the blades are. Quality is good and everything works as it should. I find myself using them all the time. Not just to make circles but also to measure out clay to make my beads the same size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.